Hello friends, I am Ambika. Welcome to SA Educational Hub, a platform to share knowledge, service providers Situn and Ambika. In this Python tutorial, we will learn what is traversing a string, traversing a string using for loop, traversing a string using while loop, traversing a string using for and range function. What is traversing a string? Traversing a string means accessing every individual character of the string, one character at a time. We can access individual characters in a string by using the index of each character. Usually we start at the first character and continue until the end of the string. A string can be traversed in Python using for loop or while loop. Example 1. Using for loop. In this example, we assign the string hello world to the variable st. We used a for loop to iterate over each character in the string. In each iteration, the loop variable ch holds the current character. The print statement prints every character of the string. For instance, in the first iteration, the loop variable ch holds the first character h, and the print statement inside the loop prints the first character h. In the second iteration, the loop variable ch holds the second character e, and the print statement prints the second character e. This iteration process continues until the last character of the string is accessed. Example 2. Using while loop. In this example, we assign the string Python to the variable st. The index variable I is initialized to 0. We used a while loop to iterate over each character in the string. The loop traverses the string and displays each letter on a line. The while loop continues as long as the index variable I is less than the length of the string. The len function returns the number of characters in the string. That means it returns the length of the string. Here the len function returns 6. Inside the loop, access the character at the current index and print it. After printing the character, increment the index to move on to the next character. For instance, in the first iteration, the index variable I is 0. So it accesses the first character, which is p, and prints it. Then it increments the I value by adding 1 to it. In the second iteration, the index variable I is 1. So it accesses the second character, which is y, and prints it. Then it increments the I value by adding 1 to it. This iteration process continues as long as the value of I is less than the length of the string. The last character accessed is the one with the I value of length minus 1, that is I equals to 5, which is the last character in the string. When I is equal to the length of the string, the condition is false and the body of the loop is not executed. Using for and range function. The range function returns a sequence of numbers that starts from 0 and increments by 1 and stops before the integer passed to the range function. For example, the range 5 returns a 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is perfect for generating the index numbers into a string. Example 3. Using for and range function. In this example, we assign the string Python to the variable s. We use the for loop with range function to traverse the string. The built-in function len returns the length of the string. Here the len function returns a numeric value of 6, which is the length of the string. The range function returns a sequence of numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These numbers are used as the index value for the string. Inside the loop, the print statement will display each character of the string. For instance, in the first iteration, the I value is 0. So the print statement will display the first character P. In the second iteration, the I value is 1. So the print statement will display the second character Y. This process continues until the I value is 5. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Previous video was string operation in Python. Next video is built-in functions in Python. Contact us ambikarai27@gmail.com. Thank you.